I can do is I can send you.
Generate one now, like give them the format, and as long as the changes running output matching the
Right now.
Yeah, it's a waste of time. It's like doing files all the time. They should be able to, yeah, if that's all they're doing, they should be able to do a file.
The actual data source is on. Should be part of it.
Is there anything James can help you with?
My brain is not completely blank.
What I'll get to do is read it. I fix the emails, but they will tell you we have some.